Come across this today on LinkedIn, folks. Content creator, 60 to 70k a year. If you were looking to get into the industry, that's a no-brainer. Everything that's in this essential skills list is what everybody would use basically to post on social media. I mean, CapCut, posting on TikTok, visual storytellers. Everybody's a storyteller in their own right, folks. We're all unique. It's not looking a specific storyteller. Everyone is unique and diverse. ChatGPT doesn't take the brains of an archbishop to use it, or the AI tools around it, like DALL-E. It's free with the Microsoft Edge browser through Bing Copilot. You can go and have a play with it, folks, and there's a ton of prompts that you can download online to get the best out of it. Storytelling skills, again, folks, everybody's unique. We can all tell a story about what we got up to in the weekend, what we done through the week. When we talk to our mates, it's the same type of thing, you know, putting a story together. Working independently, creativity and discipline. You've demonstrated this if you've been posting on social media for a few months, folks. Proficient in English. My English ain't the best. Honestly, people give me the 1,000-yard stare when I'm talking. I depend on the captions so you can understand some of my videos probably. So don't worry about that one. We live in a diverse world, folks. So if you're there or thereabouts, at the end of the day, I would tip my hat to this here job role if you wanted it. I'm not the go-to for it. If you go on LinkedIn and look in content creator jobs, there's a lot of jobs coming up now. But as always, I'll leave this one with you and wish you all the best. Take care and good luck.